Try naman natin itong kanilang grilled burger. Sarap talaga kapag grilled burger. Freshly cooked. Sarap. Mamaya i-ano ko yung ano nila, pangalan ng booth nila. Masarap. Guarantee.